Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have 6th generation Nissan Altima. This is a 2024 model, and I will show you which fuse to check in case your rear defroster or rear defogger is not working. This video should apply to 6th generation of Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the rear defroster fuse will be located in a small fuse box under the steering wheel just behind this cover. So you want to gently pop down the cover using a small flat screwdriver, small key, or anything else you have handy. On the back side there is a small fuse diagram, and this black piece right here, this is supposed to be fuse puller, which you can use to remove and check any of the small fuses. And the rear defroster fuse will be this fuse right here. This is fuse number 17, 30 amp green fuse. So this is the fuse you want to check. Now, in case this fuse proves to be good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. You'll have to test this switch, and then you'll have to check the wiring and inspect the heating element on the rear glass for any cracks or damages. But hopefully the fuse will be your problem. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.